Mastering Microsoft Sentinel, a deep dive into configuring your SIEM environment. Imagine we're sipping coffee at a bustling tech cafe, and I start telling you about my recent adventure into enhancing the security of our enterprise. You nod, knowing that security is the cornerstone of our tech sanctuary, and I pull out this gem called Microsoft Sentinel from my briefcase. It's not just another tool, but an intricate web of intelligence at our fingers, ready to be tailored by a skilled hand. Yours. The reason for this intricate setup of our Microsoft Sentinel environment. Let's start with our overarching battle plan, ensuring that our cybersecurity measures are first-rate. This isn't about putting up digital locks and keys. It's about intelligent monitoring and real-time intelligence that could make or break our company's digital fortress. First things first, setting up a solid foundation is crucial. You begin to configure our Sentinel with the basics: log sources and event collection. These sources are like ears to our cybersecurity, listening to the digital whispers that could indicate trouble. You meticulously create your collection of logs, ensuring that nothing significant goes unheard. With the stage set, it's time for reconnaissance. You'll explore features like indicators of compromise and threat intelligence integration. Microsoft Sentinel isn't just a tool to collect noise data, but more so, to pick out potential threats in our vast network symphony. The integration of threat intelligence feeds from respected sources like the CISA or MITRE's ATT and CK matrix allows your configurations to stay informed and evolving. But with great data comes the responsibility of its analysis. You'll craft powerful query languages that turn raw data into actionable security insights. As an architect of this digital ecosystem, you make it intuitive enough for other team members to derive valuable patterns and flag irregularities. Furthermore, visualization dashboards serve as command centers. These aren't just fancy screens for showing pretty colors. They are strategic hubs that communicate the heartbeat of our network security to all stakeholders. With timely alerts based on predefined or custom threshold policies, we can react to threats promptly. Custom workflows with Microsoft Purview compliance come into play when you deal with data. Your configurations ensure that data handling not only adheres to compliance but is transparent and traceable. Like setting the rules for a high-stakes board game, you create workflows ensuring each player knows their role and responsibility while keeping the data in safe hands. When incidents arise, your refined security posture shines through. Configuration of incident response workflows is like choreographing a ballet with security actors. Each move must be precise and practiced, from triage to containment and investigation, leading to remediation with surgical precision. Not stopping here, for a truly resilient system that adapts to the ever-shifting threat landscape, you extend your expertise to Azure Traceroute, which helps you ensure network connections are secure and reliable. The integration with Azure Network Watcher offers visibility and performance monitoring, creating a comprehensive view of the health of our systems. Throughout the process, continuous learning and optimizing the configurations ensure that the setup is always at peak efficiency. It's like tuning an instrument, only in this case, it's tuning the security of your digital infrastructure. As we wrap up our technical odyssey, it's clear that Microsoft Sentinel is like the silent guardian, always watching and protecting with a well-orchestrated configuration strategy. It's not just about building defenses, it's about understanding our digital ecosystem, staying ahead of threats, and ensuring business continuity with a robust security posture. Now that I've woven through the intricacies of Microsoft Sentinel setup and its strategic importance, I invite you to continue exploring this vast expanse that is security. Monitoring. To dive deeper or catch more insights like these, I invite you to visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab.